Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I am from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coin for you all today. Let's start. Ambedkar, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 300. 2003 Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 100. Rajiv Gandhi, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 100. Indira Gandhi, Kolkata Mint, BU, 100. Indira Gandhi, Mumbai, BU, 100. Rural Woman, Mumbai Mint, BU, 200. Rural Woman, Kolkata Mint, BU, 300. Asian Games, Mumbai Mint, BU, 200. UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, 200. Gromo Food, 1990 Mumbai Mint, BU condition. This is a very scarce coin. It's not available very easily. Only for 300 rupees each. Hindi legend, UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, Nehru, 50 paise, 100. 25th anniversary, Kolkata Mint, 50 paise, 200. Say UNC condition. 1984 Mumbai Mint, 100 rupees each, 100 rupees. Some Daneshwar, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. Railways, Bolu, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 200. 84 Mumbai Mint, UNC, 85 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. This 200 rupees set. 85, 84, 85. Small Farmers, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 300. 71 and 72 Mumbai Mint, 10 paisa, UNC condition. UNC to BUNC type of condition, 200 rupees set. International, Year of the Family, Mumbai Mint, UNC, 300. Commonwealth Game, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 200. Commonwealth Game, Noida Mint, BU condition, 200. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 300. Kolkata Mint, BU condition, 200. Aurobindo, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 300. This is a very scarce coin. Quit India Movement, BU, Mumbai Mint, 300. Rainfed Farming, BU, Kolkata Mint, for 400. Rainfed Farming, Mumbai Mint, UNC, 300. Supreme Court, Noida Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, 300. Equality Development, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 10 paise, for 300. Rural Woman, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. Rural Woman, UNC condition, Kolkata Mint, 200. 200 rupees each, 400 for set. Mahatma Gandhi, 50 paise, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. Louis Bailey, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 100. World Food Day, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. Happy Child, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. I have 200 rupees each. Food and Work, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 300. Food and Work Hyderabad Mint, this is AUNC condition, 400. Jawaharlal Nehru BU condition, Kolkata Mint, BU condition, Mumbai Mint set, 1 rupee set, 200 rupees for set. Sant Dyaneshwar Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, this is 300. RBI Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 400. Sant Tukaram Kolkata Mint, BU condition, 200. Sant Tukaram Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 300. Sant Tukaram Noida Mint, BU condition, 300. Food and Work UNC condition, Mumbai Mint, 300. Biodiversity Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 300. Shivaji Maharaj BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 300. Food and Work Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 400. Food and Shelter Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 300. Food and Shelter Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 400. You want a set, you can take for 600 rupees. This becomes 400, but you can take it for 600 rupees set. Click this way, set and send. If you want single coin, then you can send single like this. Kamraj Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 400. 25th anniversary Kolkata Mint, UNC condition. This is a rotation one, you can see 1 hour rotation is there, only for 300. Not so easily available rotation coins. Care for Girl Child Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition, very scarce coin, 500. Food and Shelter Kolkata Mint, BU condition, 300. Food and Shelter BU condition, 300. This is a Mumbai BU and this is a Kolkata BU, 300 rupees each. ILO Hyderabad Mint, AUNC condition, very scarce coin, 500. You can see clear details. Tourism Year Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 400. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee BU condition, Noida Mint, beautiful condition coin, you can see all details clear, only for 400. Food and Environment Noida Mint, UNC, and Food and Environment Hyderabad, UNC. This both the set for this is single coin. Noida one cost 600 and Hyderabad one cost 400. Okay, 600 and 400, 1000 rupees, but when you take a set it will be 800 rupees. ILO Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 800. United Nations AUNC condition, Mumbai Mint, 500. If you want a set just for 1000 rupees, 1300 becomes like this, but if you take a set, 1000 rupees. Some 50 paise, 63 Mumbai UNC, 200. 69 Mumbai UNC, 200. 71 UNC Kolkata, 100. 54 Kolkata, half rupees, AUNC condition, 500. Happy Child Nation Pride, BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, 700. Asian Games Hyderabad Mint BU condition 300. Small Farmers Hyderabad UNC condition very scarce coin 500. Jawaharlal Nehru BU condition Hyderabad Mint 500. Rural Women Hyderabad BU condition 500. Madan Mohan Malviya Hyderabad Mint BU condition 500. World Food Day UNC condition Hyderabad Mint 400. Youth Year Kolkata Mint UNC condition very scarce coin. This is a clear lion variety. You can see the lion is clear. Only for 800. One more is there. This is for 500. This also clear only. Subhash Chandra Bose BU condition Kolkata Mint. See the details. Clear details only for 200. Food for Future Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 1000 rupees. Actually it's almost like JM UNC to BUNC condition, but I wrote UNC only. Cellular Jail Kolkata Mint BU condition 400. Tamil Conference Noida Mint BU condition very scarce coin 600. Shama Prasad Mukherjee UNC condition Kolkata Mint very scarce coin 400. This is inside one sleeve, that's why this line is there. Some 25 paise 1957 AUNC first 25 paise. This is very scarce coin for 600. 59 Mumbai JM UNC. This is 600 with mild rotation. 67 Mumbai extra fine condition. This is a rare coin only for 500. 62 Kolkata UNC condition 200. 46 Mumbai quarter rupee 300. 61 Mumbai mirror finish coin. This is, you can see, and 200. 61 Kolkata UNC 200. 63 Kolkata UNC 200. This is 120 paise there. 86 Hyderabad. Here small clip error is there. You can see here this part, very small clip error is there. You can see on this top, just for 100 rupees. BUNC condition. I have normal coin also. This is 100 rupees each, but this is a BUNC condition 86 Hyderabad. If you want one single coin, then it's 100 rupees each. If you take 10 piece, 50 rupees each I can give. ICDS Mumbai Mint UNC condition 300. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai Mint UNC condition 300. Biodiversity Hyderabad Mint BU condition 1000. 1995 B Lion. This is, sorry, A Lion Mumbai Mint rare coin. This is, see the condition, top condition it is 900. See the condition, only for 900. Very rare coin this is. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel UNC condition Noida Mint 2400. Save for Development Kolkata Mint UNC condition very scarce coin 10 paise 800 rupees, not available easily. Subhash Chandra Bose BU condition Mumbai Mint 800. Quit India Movement BU condition Kolkata Mint very scarce coin 800. Quit India Movement UNC condition Kolkata Mint 400. See the difference. So BU, this is a UNC. World Food Day, Mumbai Mint, BU condition 700. Agri Expo, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition. Rare coin with a clear line 1800. Food and Environment, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition 600. Food for Future, this is a error coin. You can see this clip error here. This is a clip error. You can see only for 1000 rupees. You can see this clip error here. Only for 1000 rupees. Rare coin with the clip error. Agri Expo, Mumbai Mint, rare coin, UNC condition only for 800. (1954) Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. This is a rare coin. And 1950 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition. The single coin is 6,000 rupees. And this single coin is 1500 rupees. Today I am giving the set for only 7000 rupees. Otherwise it becomes 7500, but set is for 7000. Railways, Bolu, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition 500. Noida Mint, BU condition 300. Jawaharlal Nehru, UNC condition 500. Hyderabad Mint. Small Family, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition 900. 1943 very scarce coin, Mumbai Mint 1200. 1947 UNC condition. See the disc effect 1800. 1993 Mumbai Mint, single mint coin, BU condition, parliamentary 1200. FAO, Noida Mint, UNC condition only for 800. Food for Future, Early Strike, Kolkata Mint, rare coin. You can see the face printed. This coin doesn't come face printed, only Early Strike comes face printed. It's a rare coin, 1800. 1950 Mumbai Mint, BU condition 2000. Mother's Health, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition 1200. Mother's Health, Noida Mint, UNC condition 2000. 1200 and 2000, 3200. But if you take a set, it will be 3000 rupees. Khadi Village, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, rare coin. See the clear line, no scratch, dent, damage. You can see 1700. Water for Life, Mumbai Mint, BU condition 800. This is a golden luster, BU condition 800. And this is also golden, but not much like this golden. You can choose whichever you want. 800 rupees each. BU condition. 51 semicircle, BU condition, Mahatma Basaveshwar, rare coin, only for 800. You can see the semicircle, only for 800. 1911 Kolkata Mint, pig variety, rare coin. This is, you can see 1/4 Anna, 1911 only for 2000. Clear details. You don't get clear details, you can always see all worn out or there's no details at all. See here how clear the details, and nice black it has become with lots of years became black. It is like you can say patina. 2000. Young head 1940. Type 1 head variety. Rare coin only for 1600. You can see 1940. You can check in the book. It's a rare coin. Head variety. Mahatma Basveshwar. BU condition, first strike. See the small mint mark and the mirror finish. Only for 500. Moscow mint 2000. F lion variety, X rare coin. This is extra fine condition but without any damage. You can see clear details, no damage, dent. Only for 1700 rupees. Quarter rupee 1943 Kolkata mint UNC condition 800. 39 head type 2 Kolkata mint, mature head you can say, rare coin only for 2000 with clear details. Half rupee 1936 Kolkata mint 1100. 1915 Mumbai mint, rare coin. It's from Mumbai, it is rare. 3200 with clear detail. You can see the crown. I have Kolkata also, 1915 Kolkata mint with the clear details. 2600. Both are same condition. This is for Mumbai mint is for 3200 because it's a rare coin, and this is a very scarce 1915 Kolkata mint 2600. If you want, I can give 200 discount per set. 1940 Mumbai mint UNC condition 1200. 1950 Mumbai mint UNC condition. 1962 Kolkata mint UNC condition. This is inside a sleeve. This is a set for 2200 rupees. 2 UNC condition, 2200 set. '44 Lahore UNC 1400. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai mint BU condition 2100. 25th anniversary Mumbai mint BU condition 2800. 25 paise 1960 to 66 Mumbai mint only for 1200 rupees set. BUNC condition set. 5 pieces 1984 Mumbai mint 100 rupees each. Hyderabad mint 1984 Hyderabad mint BUNC condition 100 rupees each. There is some 50 pieces Nehru Hindi legend and 50 paise. This is Hindi legend and English legend mix is there. Only for 700 rupees. 26 coins are there almost. Okay, I'll give for 600 today. 26 coin, less than the 30 rupees also each costing for you all. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again. 1 second, I have another thing. Forgot to. Mahatma Basveshwar BU condition 51 semicircle, 52 semicircle and 51 semicircle. This is for only 1000 rupees set. Semicircle and normal one. Only for 1000 rupees set. And I have Shyama Prasad Mukherjee lion set, Noida Mint. C1 lion, C2 lion, only for 600. Rainfed farming, date variety, big date, small date, big date, Mumbai Mint, 800. Chitrandanada Desh Bandhu Chitrandanada's lion variety. This is Noida Mint. B lion, C lion set, 800. Bolu Mumbai Mint. This is also lion variety. C1 lion, C2 lion, only for 400. Normal coin price only. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.